Hello, I am here in fact doing another video on HUMANE traps. This is, you can use an ordinary cage, like so. And what happens is, well, I don't know why that wood's in there, to be honest. It's just a normal little canary cage, veggie cage, whatever your cage. Not a bad size compared to my hand. I prefer obviously using aviary like that one over there, that big aviary over there. That's where I've got all my birds. I transport them in little cages like this. Yeah, it's a spring door. And here's a way to make a trap. If I come over here a minute and get, just for example, this stick, might be able to do that, I might. No, it's really easy, really easy. All you've got to do is simply put your stick on any bar, on it, not through it like that, on it, on the inside. But first, you want to dig it through the first couple of holes on your door to obviously hold it open. Hang on, I need to use two hands, and then I'll explain it. 1 minute. Oh, God, that was hard. Right, I'll put it. Look, I'm just going to use this one like that. Normally I'd put it from simply the door onto that side there where my finger is, but I've done it there, and that's so easy to set. Just put the bit of wood on the bar, like that, and then obviously you've got to make it tight enough. You put it once again on, that is on, so I'll make myself clear, the bar of the door. And it's quite tricky to set with only one hand. Obviously I'm holding the camera in the other. Here we go, I'll put it that one there. Oh God. Sorry about that. Right, yeah. And what happens, to put some food on that perch, and if a bird will look for its way in, if there's food on the ground, when it finds its way in, it will sit on there. And hang on, I'm just going to look for another stick so I don't put my hand in. Just put a simple stick. Just like... can't find them. All the way over here. Just like this one. Oh, hang on, just got to snap it. Ah. God. Sorry about this, the time that I'm taking videoing. Oh God, I'll just use this one. And look, simply, as soon as the bird goes in there, lands on the perch, that will happen. Hopefully you saw that. That's so easy it gets set off. And obviously the bird, or you could use it for mice, in fact. You could also use it for mice. And that's how easy it's set off. See? So it really is an effective, humane trap. I'll put it even higher this time. Once again. Just a simple mechanism. Just push down. I didn't push down very hard either. So it's just so simple on setting. All you need is a spring door on any cage. It don't have to be a small cage like this one, obviously. It's just any cage. You just locate it on that bar there, and also on the bar to the door. Got my hand in the way at the minute. Like that. See, just like so. And yeah, it's just bird go in like that, land obviously on the stick. So therefore, just land and set the door off. Right, there you go. Thanks for watching another video on HUMANE TRAPS. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, rate, comment, whatever. See you later. I'm just going to say it one more time just before we go. Go. And there you are. Right, thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, comment, as I said, whatever. Right, thanks. See you later.